Alright, we're at Yaeger Chrysler Dodge in Paris, Ontario. They got a nice little show and shine going on here. Look at that blacked out. That's Street Outlaws color. Nice 63 Chevy. Nice paint on this Corvette. Classic 440 Challenger. 6-pack. 2.4 on this Belvedere. Nice little Barracuda. Pontiac.
So we're gonna go get that, and then we'll get a drink and maybe some food.
340 Dart. Nice little Duster. It says Hemi. Oh, it is a Hemi.
71 Plymouth Duster.
Yeah, spin that Hemi around so you can read it properly. Old Celica. Oh, now here's a nice 1970. Oh, but I guess he's only. Look at the wheels. They look a little bit odd. So he's got aftermarket, oversized 17s, looks like, and then the stock 815s in the front. So that would be a GTO with the Judge stripes. It's probably a 400. Functional Ram Air. And car's an automatic. Got a big block Nova. And, oh, an Apache's 57 Apache. RT Challenger 344 barrel. Nice little satellite sport. Old Chevrolet, looks like a 50 something. Anglia. Third gen Camaro, looks like a 86, 87. I don't know what this Chrysler is. Nice 70 Mustang over here. And of course, there's my car. What else? Got a bunch of darts. Viper out there. And we got a Hellcat, yellow Hellcat. Mach 1 Mustang, Coronet 500, Dodge Ram Rebel. Oh, there's a slammed Ram truck. And, oh, there's an old Comanche, Jeep Comanche. That's a cool truck. What else is interesting here? Yeah, Roadrunner. That looks pretty interesting. Okay, well then I'm gonna have to say that the belle of the ball today is this Roadrunner Superbird. Nice little Dart, Challenger convertible, RT Charger, Slam Chev step side. Oh, Hot Wheels Edition Camaro SS. Got a little Super B 383. Here's an interesting modification here. A Duster with the big rear spoiler, and then he made up it has to be made up, AR Duster stripe. And he's got some oversized wheels. Looks good. No, it's a tastefully done modification. Now that I agree with. Looks like he's got a front tire that's going on there though, but oh well. Okay. And we got Scat Back Challenger. Needs the fender flares. 70 Mustang, 440 Dodge. Oh man, that's a long one. And Dragster Valiant out there. Little 28 Pace Car Edition. Nice clean GT Dart. Fleetwood Caggity-Whack. 57 Chevy. Oh, that's very nice. And another Scat Back Challenger, a Viper, got some old Valiants over there. We got two little express trucks here. I'm gonna pan around to the other one here. But that's a cool little truck. Alright, so is it built on the Adventurer? Alright, so this is a real one. This one here is a made-up one. It's got the wrong grill. And twin snorkel air cleaner's missing. Alright, what do we got here? We got car wash by the Rolls Royce in the background. That's a cool little song. And okay, is that a real Shelby? See, I always wonder about these cars. You never really know because there's not that many, but there sure are many now. And nice RS SS 69 Camaro, a Beaumont, white fender Challenger, nice little short box truck. There's that official pace car. Okay, nice old 442. Oh, these are cool. So this is something you just don't see anymore. A two-door Blazer, or that's a Tahoe. Yeah. 302 Fairmont.
I don't think the installed the engine.
All right, so we're going to walk across the front. Yeah, this is...
Camera, love it.
Works good, man.
This ain't no place to be if your plan don't be to stop. Let me tell you, it's always cool.
Yeah, look at this. This is a cool little car. Spirit AMX. This is one of those electric chargers. It's actually the first one I've ever seen. And Indy, and then we got Dundas collection and some trucks, and that's about the end of it. All right, I guess. Oh no, there's one more line. There's a bunch of Vipers here, and work. Oh, that's a cool little Bronco. All right, guys. Well, that's about the end of it. I'm gonna go around and do some singles, but yeah, this is an ACR. This is, for the longest time, this was one of the fastest cars at the Nürburgring from U.S. manufacturer. It's a bad mama drama. All right, another ACR. Now there's a beautiful color, Santa Fe blue. This color very much used by Cara Shelby when he was doing Chrysler products. And one more thing, here's a nice little jacked up Ram Charger. I gotta say it's a 1980 thereabouts. It's what they call a tin grill. All right, man, that's about it. Okay, guys, please subscribe and come back. We'll catch you at the next car show.